Yes, I'm alive now. I'm still alive. And looks at hands. Oh yeah, I remember. I'm this ugly rat dude. Let's get out of here. I just want to get repaired and go to whatever that's called, where Spring Bonnie and freaking Fredbear goes. Whoa. Hey, that's a teleporter thing I got teleported with. Oh, let's go. Whoa. Oh, I remember this place. I remember this. This is where... Is that my suit? People always keep spring locking the people. I don't care. That's just still me. That's literally a model of me. Myself. What was I gonna do again? Oh yeah, I was gonna get repaired. I was gonna give tips. I'm recording. Give me a sec. Yeah. Yeah. Randomly gets teleported. Oh, he got teleported. Well, I guess I'm gonna get fixed. Whoa. Hey, I'm gonna get like that. Whoa. This is a getting. Why do I have hands now? Why do I have hands? What? Oh, just ignore that. I will. What the frick? There's blue stuff inside of me. Go away. I'm gonna get repaired. Go away. I'm gonna get repaired. Alright. Gets repaired as Spring Bonnie. And huh? What? What happened to me? Looks at hands. I got repaired. I got repaired. Yes. Who's this? What? What? What just happened? Well, this looks like my old suit, honestly. Well, get teleported to FNAF 4 Fredbears. Whoa! Oh, what? Hey. What? Wait a minute. I saw this dude before. He kept jump scaring me. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing in my building? Moo. Well, he got scared easily. Yeah, I did. Now shut up. No. Fine. Whoa. I haven't seen those before. Oh, the people that created me, the crying childs that forced me to go in the suit force me when I get the spring locks. I have to perform. And look at this. Look, I'm performing. And I don't know where Bonnie's guitar is. I'm performing. Well, I don't have to say Springtrap anymore. My real name is now Spring Bonnie. Spring Bonnie out.